My name is Elaine. I live in Raleigh.
Yeah, so Elaine, tell me this. When you very first came in here, what was your major complaint?
My neck hurt a lot. It was hard to even turn my head, and I had pain even when I wasn't doing anything, even if if I was just sitting straight with no movement. So I had severe pain in my neck.
All right.
But I didn't know why.
And you suffered from migraines
Yes.
and dizziness.
Yes.
And how long had all this been going on?
August of 2017, let's say.
Yeah. So months and months and
Yeah.
months. And what sort of things were you having trouble doing?
Oh, I mean, I wasn't even really, I was working, but I was working from home all the time because I was having trouble I couldn't exercise because it hurt. I was having trouble, if I lifted something, it hurt. It was really even hard to function throughout the day. I ended up in the hospital at one point, but through it all, I had the neck pain along with the migraine and I was, so really any activity, I stopped exercising. I was exercising 4 days a week and I stopped because I was either dizzy or my neck hurt. And the pain was shooting like all the way. It was just in my neck. It was spreading out to my shoulders, I think, because it wasn't really being treated.
So you were a mess.
Yeah.
Yeah, and what sort of other things had you tried to do to get this handled? You said you'd been in the hospital.
I ended up in the hospital. I did go to a neurologist to try to figure out what it was. They signed me to physical therapy. So I'm mainly physical therapy, but there was no real results from it because it wasn't getting to what was really the problem.
And what was the actual problem? Do you remember the diagnosis?
Yes, and I had an MRI, and they diagnosed it as degenerative disc disease.
Exactly.
And I can tell you, their first suggestion was go to a neurosurgeon, which terrified me.
Now we've been doing spinal decompression therapy. How's that been working out?
Oh, really? Well, it's the only thing that's helped me. I mean, I went from being in had 110% pain to maybe 10 sometimes, like if I have a stressful day.
Excellent.
So, yeah, I mean, it's really it's the only thing that's really helped me.
Sounds as though you would recommend spinal decompression to others.
Yeah, I definitely would. I was crying when I came in to see you. I had days where I didn't know if it would ever get better. I thought, I'm going to live with this level of pain for the rest of my life because no one could fix it for me. Everything I tried didn't work. So are you going to be 100% the first time you have a